Hello, my YouTube community. Welcome to another episode of The Naked. Well, just pretty much The Naked. Haven't been doing much turning lately. I've been fully consumed trying to help sort of navigate my mother through our completely broken healthcare system in this country. And of course, with the pandemic going on, the broken is even more broken. It's pretty much completely broken. And she did contract COVID-19. She made it out the other side once. She contracted it again. My hopes is she will make it out the other side again, but she is in a nursing home facility down in one of the most impacted states in the nation. And so I'm just trying to stay hopeful, trying to find new pathways and then widen those pathways into new avenues that I might be able to, use these new avenues for me and my mom to find some better care for her and hopefully get her into a better situation. It's a very challenging time. Nobody can see her. She is right now in another 14-day quarantine after having left the facility to go to the emergency room. So now they have to put her through another 14-day quarantine, which is, it's just really hard. It's pushing her deeper into the places that she's in and creating additional dementia. So lots of love to everybody. Lots of love to all your family members. Remember, whenever you get a chance, tell people you love them, give them a hug, and because you never know when that last time will be. So take care. Lots of love to the wood turning community. Sorry I haven't been posting, but like I said, I've been pretty much 100% consumed by this, as well as COVID, and then not having had any work since March 13th. So we'll see what happens. It's real trying times for everybody. Like I said, lots of love. Safe turning if you are turning. Another reason I'm not turning is because I do not want to get injured and end up having to go to the emergency room for a stitch or anything like that. Not that I have ever been severely injured while turning, but I just feel like minimizing the risks is a really good thing to do to not impact our frontline workers any more than they already are. Wear your mask, do your social distancing, and respect the frontline workers by doing so.